Honestly, back in 2003, when I first started teaching Arabic to students, we actually had these books, the Madinah books. We used them in the curriculum, but then very soon I phased them out. Inshallah, in today's video, I'm going to explain to you the exact reasons why that was done and also mention to you why you may consider doing the same. If you remember from my previous video, I said not all grammar is created equal. So what I'm saying is that if a student were to get a bird's eye view of the entire language and how it works, then all grammar that directly contributes to conveyance of meaning, we call that high impact grammar. And then there's other grammar like gender agreement. Those things are also important, but that we call that basic grammar. So these books, what they do is they introduce grammar from the first lesson. And the examples that are given are rather simplistic and they're artificial. Beyond that, there's no nuanced discussion, and it's never framed as a solution to a problem. And I think this is the biggest thing that you'll take from this video, that when grammar is taught, it needs to be taught as solutions to issues. Like here's the comprehension issue, that there's a lack of is. Like in nominal sentences, there's no actual word there that corresponds to is in English. So how do you tell from where to where is the mubtada, where to where is the khabar? So this is an issue. And if you could solve that and be able to do it effortlessly every single sentence, then this is half of grammar. Because basic grammar does not empower the student to be able to read actual Arabic. It doesn't. And the thing is, the recommended time to complete these books is 3 months per book. The Madinah book series, book 1, book 2, book 3. So that's already 9 months. And it's all basic grammar. So you don't understand how the language works. And you don't understand the issues to which these grammar topics are solutions. So on this channel, I have a video that's currently at about 184,000 views, and people are watching the whole 3 hours. And in that video, I've isolated all of this high impact grammar that needs to be taught first. So if you study that and you properly understand it, then you could do these books in 1/10 of the time. You don't need 3 months per book. If you do the 3-hour workshop and then do this, and then move on to book 2, you've taken your 9 months and you've reduced it down to barely a month. You can get through all 3 Madinah books and know them very well within a month. I'm not saying ditch them completely. I'm saying cover the select amount of grammar which empowers reading and gives you a bird's eye view of the entire language, and then do the books. And inshallah, you'll save a lot of time if you do that. And I'll link right now to the 3-hour workshop, and you can now proceed and start with that. And I look forward to speaking with you soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.